Hello there, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing how you can create subdomain from your main domain. And at the end of the video, I'll share this particular domain to you. So if you want to win this domain, comment your email address to the comment box and see who can win this subdomain. I'll randomly pick up someone from the comment list. So as many as comment you can post, the winning percentage will be high. So now let's see how you can create a subdomain, and on my next video I will share who owns this domain. So first go to the browser and go to your cPanel, scroll down and you will find a folder under domains called subdomain. Click on there, and if you scroll down you can see already I have created a tree of subdomain. And if you want to create a subdomain, so just give a name on there. So I'm just going to give the name is practice. So my domain will be practice.wptrendings.com. So after that just click create. So you can see the success message. So your subdomain is created and your website is now practice.wptrendings.com. Go back and scroll down. You can see the practice.wptrendings.com is already created. And now if you want to install WordPress or any other CMS platform to this domain, again go to the cPanel, scroll down. On there you will find software and app installer. Click WordPress. From there click install, and from there you need to select your domain. So I have created practice.wptrending.com. so this is your domain, and you can set this one. So I'm just delete this one, so I don't want WP directory. The URL will be just https:/practice.wptrending.com, and you can see you can choose the WordPress version. From there you can also set the name, description, username, password. So I'm just hiding this one and password, giving the password, and the username is admin. So if you want to get this domain, comment below, and I'm going to give one person to this domain, and also you can use unlimited storage for your domain. So after that you can just scroll down and you can see select the plugin. You can also choose your language. I'm just keeping this one English, and just for you I am just keeping everything simple. And also you can choose any theme. So by default it will be 2022, and I'm also just letting this done and just click install. So if you can save or never save this one. So you can see the installation process is started. So it is done. So our admin URL is practice.wptrending.com. If I click on there, it will redirect to my WordPress site, and if I visit my site, you can see right now this is the site. So the site is going to be yours. So if you want to win, again I am announcing this one that I will be select randomly someone from the comment. So as many comment you can comment below, but don't forget to share your email to the comment, because I will share this domain email and password to your email address. And thank you for watching the video, and best of luck. Subscribe my channel for the next video, and I will share who is the winner to the next video. Thank you and best wishes.